Hello, my name's Christopher, and today I'm going to show you how to install Dozzle on RunTipi. So, a little bit about this series, I'm going over home labs or installing things, getting things set up, everything like that. So if you're interested in that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. I wanted to let y'all know about the Big Bear community. We just launched a community on community.bigbeartechworld.com. It's based on discourse, so go on there, join it, and say hi. So, let's get back to your registered programming. So this is what will be installed today, a lightweight web-based Docker log viewer that provides real-time monitoring and easy troubleshooting. So a real-time logging, lightweight, and multi-host support. So this is what will be installed today on RunTipi. So now I'm going to start on the RunTipi App Store, the GitHub, and I'm going to go over to search right here. I'm going to type in Dozzle. And then I'm going to go to the directory. So RunTipi App Store apps and then Dozzle. So the metadata is what's shown in the App Store and the logo. And also config.json explains things. So the name, available, exposable, the port, so 8013. And then that's what you'll be going to. And then the ID is Dozzle. The Tipi version is 8. A version, and then the categories, description, short description, the author of Dozzle, and then the source, and then the form fields. You can have a field when it pops up and installs. You can say you want to disable the Google Analytics, the supported architectures of the Docker image. So if you go over to Docker Impose now, so the services are set, and then the Dozzle is the first service underneath services, and then the container name is going to be called Dozzle. The image is coming off Docker Hub by default, and this is the Docker image, and then this is the Docker image tag. Restart unless stopped. So that means if you stop it for a reason, it will not try to restart, but if it fails for any other reason, then it will try to restart. And then volumes, it's going to mount the var run docker.sock on the host side and then on the container side. So this gives the container access to the Docker engine. And then ports, the app port is populated by the config.json over here, the port right here. So it's 8080 on the container. It's going to put it in the Tipi main network. And then the environment variables, Dozzle, no analytics, and this is set as a dynamic variable. So if you go over here, you can see that Dozzle no analytics is an env variable. So that's set right here. So the labels, so main, web secure, local domain, and the local domain secure. This is to set the traffic. So that's a little bit about the Docker Impose. So I wanted to let you know about the BigBearClub. You can join it, and it greatly supports this channel, and I very much appreciate it. So if you'd like to join the BigBearClub, you can go down the YouTube description and go to my Ko-Fi link and join it from there. So let's get back to registered programming. So I'm going to start on my RunTipi. I'm going to go to App Store, and then I'm going to search for Dozzle. Now it's right here, so I'm going to click it, and now you can see the description and then the base info. So source code, the author, 8013, that's the port you're going to go to, and then the categories, the version, and support architectures. This is the info that was in the config.json, and this was in the metadata. So I'm going to install now. So now you can disable Google Analytics. You can display on guest dashboard, or you can expose the app. So I'm going to install. And what this is doing is it's downloading the Docker image off the registry, getting it extracted, and getting it up with Docker Impose underneath, because this does use the Docker engine. So we got it up and running. So I'm going to explain the container options in RunTipi. So if you go to My Apps, you go to Dozzle right here, and then your actions are stop, open, and this opens in the web UI. You can set the settings again, so you can disable Google Analytics if you want to. display on a dashboard and expose the app. You can also reset the app, and then if you change it in these settings right here, you can update. So that's a little bit about the container options in RunTipi. So now I'm going to start on my RunTipi. I'm going to go to my apps. So I did install another app. I'm going to go into the Dozzle, and then I'm going to go to open right here. So now you see all your containers running, 7 of them. You got your code server, your Dozzle, your Tipi dashboard, your Tipi DB, your Tipi Redis, and your ROS proxy, and the worker. You can see the total CPU usage right here. You can see the total memory usage, the Dozzle version. You can select how many you want to show on this page. You can go up here, see all your notifications, like if you have the latest version. You can go to settings right here, and you can see what version you're on. Enable a compact mode for logs, and this is display settings. You can change things over here, and it'll change over here as a preview. You can enable searching with Dozzle using the command F, and then show stop containers. This is really handy if you have a container that's stopped and you want to check out the logs. Automatically redirect to new containers with the same name. That's a handy feature too. So you can go over here, and if you want to put this side by side, you can click this, and now you can go over here and you can look at the code server logs, plus look at the Dozzle logs over here, or vice versa. And you can also split screen it again into 3, and you can see a memory and load, and you can clear, download, search, and show streams. So this is really handy. So you can go close it right here. You can also search, so you can search the containers, and if you want to go to the code server, you go like that, then to Dozzle. So that's a little bit about the UI for Dozzle. So I just went over step by step on getting a Dozzle installed on RunTipi. So if you like this tutorial, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel. And if you have any video sessions or you need community support, you can go out in the Big Bear community and join our forum. There's a link in the YouTube description. So stay tuned for more.